Ever wondered how to properly wash your dog? First things first, gather all the necessary supplies. You'll need dog shampoo, specially formulated for our canine friends, to ensure a thorough clean without irritating their skin. Then grab some towels. You'll need them to dry off your pooch and potentially the surrounding area too. Next up is a non-slip mat. This will keep your dog safe from any unfortunate slips or slides in the bathtub or shower. You'd also need a detachable shower head or a large cup for rinsing. It's all about making the process as comfortable as possible for your pet. And let's not forget the treats. They're your secret weapon to reward good behavior and make bath time a positive experience. Now let's prepare the bathing area. Place the non-slip mat in the bathtub or shower and fill it with lukewarm water. Make sure it's just deep enough to cover your dog's body without causing discomfort. Got everything? Great. Now let's move on to the next step. Now before your dog takes a dip, give them a good brush down. Brushing not only helps to detangle any knots in your dog's coat, but it also removes loose fur and debris. This makes the bathing process much more effective. Once your dog is all brushed and ready, it's time to get them wet. Start from the neck and work your way down to the tail, using a detachable shower head or a large cup. Remember, we want to avoid getting water in their ears, eyes, or nose. Next up is the shampoo stage. Apply a small dollop of dog shampoo to the areas that tend to get the dirtiest. We're talking the back, belly, and paws. Gently massage the shampoo into your dog's fur, working up a good lather. But be mindful. We need to keep that shampoo out of their eyes, ears, and mouth. Lathered up and ready to go, time to rinse off. Rinsing might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to get it right. You want to be thorough, using lukewarm water to wash away all the shampoo from your dog's coat. Pay special attention to those sneaky areas where suds like to hide, like under the belly and between the toes. Once your furry friend is squeaky clean, it's time to get them dry. Using a towel, gently pat their coat. No rubbing or tugging, as this can cause tangles. If your dog is okay with a bit of noise, you could also use a blow dryer on a low heat setting. Just remember to keep it at a safe distance to avoid any discomfort. Now for the best part, rewarding your dog for their patience. A treat, a belly rub, or a favorite toy can go a long way in making bath time a positive experience. And there you have it, a clean and happy dog. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it and it'll get easier each time.